to use the SF050 smart door lock, the first step for you is to reset it. There are two ways for you to reset the lock. First one, click the asterisk button and the pound key, and then enter the default password, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Successful.
Okay.
Press 1 for administrator setting. Press 2 for user setting. Press 3 for system setting. Press 4 to restore default.
And click the number 4. And then it will ask you to confirm that you want to reset it. Click the pound key to confirm.
Restore default successfully.
Okay. And the second way for you to reset the lock is to hold. You see there is a small hole, right? Hold this one.
Restore default successfully.
Okay, hold on for seconds, then it will also alert you that it had been reset successfully. So to use the lock, the first way for you is to add the admin. So click the asterisk button and the pound key.
Enter administrator information.
And then enter the default password.
Successful. Press 1 for administrator setting. Press 2 for user setting. Press 3 for system setting. Press 4 to restore default.
Okay, then after that, you can click 1 to add the admin.
Press 1 to add administrator. Press 2 to delete administrator. Press 3 for network setting.
Okay, then you heard that it asks you to press 1 to add admin, or press 2 to delete the admin, or press 3 for network setting. And then we can just click 1.
Enter administrator information.
And then after you click 1, you can add the fingerprint that you want.
Please enter again. Please enter again. Please enter again. 0, 0, 0. Successful. Enter administrator information.
If you want to add another fingerprint as the administrator, the second administrator, you can just record another one.
Please enter again.
And if you want to set a password for the administrator, you can just enter the numbers or the digits.
Please enter again. 0, 0, 2. Successful. Enter administrator information.
See, if you want to add the fingerprint, it will ask you to record for 4 times. Or if you want to add the password, you need to enter the same password for twice. And after you have set the administrator or any user, you can just click the asterisk key to return. see the door is locked, and you can use it successfully. Unlock successfully. So here's the way for you to add the administrator's password or fingerprint. And if you want to pair the lock to your own 2.4G network, you can run the app and then click the Add Device. You can see that it's Add Device, add manually, and choose the camera and lock. Then choose the lock Wi-Fi. But please do ensure that the Wi-Fi or network you pair is 2.4G. Choose your own Wi-Fi and enter the password. And then you can go to the log and click the asterisk and the pound again to go to the setting options. Okay, as we just set it, set this fingerprint as the admin. So we need to check the fingerprint or the password. And after that, you can click 1 to enter the administrator setting. And click number 3 for network. And then we can just click 1 for smart setting. Choose the easy mode on your mobile. And what you need to do is just to wait for the camera to be, wait for the lock to be added.
Successful. Press 1 to add administrator. Press 2 to delete administrator.
So click down and click the asterisk key to return. So after you pair the lock to your Wi-Fi, and if you want to open the door via the app, you need to click the pound key.
Request remote unlock.
First, you need to click the pound key on the panel, and then you will see a yellow reminding on the app. Then click to open it, and then it will ask you to confirm. see? And if we want to unlock the door by dynamic password, you can click on to get.
Unlocked.
See? Please don't forget to add the pound key after you enter the password. And the dynamic password will be invalid after 5 minutes.